Introduce highlight features or overview summary of XYLOKTH USB-C wireless trailer lights kit with reverse. There are features include: the magnetic trailer light comes with a wireless transmitter that uses a 2.4 GHz signal channel and can transmit a stable signal up to 100 feet. It is suitable for various trucks, RVs, caravans, cars, tractors, semi-trailers, and more. Safer and simpler. 1. The wireless tail light comes with a steel wire rope. Before departure, thread the steel wire rope through the small hole in the bracket without the light and tie it to the trailer. Even if you encounter a bumpy road surface, even if the magnetic light falls off, it will not be lost. 2. The taller box design allows the light to be stored back in the box without removing the bracket when not in use, making it easier to use. Ready to go in 3 minutes. Magnetic tow lights can be installed in just 4 simple steps. No complicated preparations are required, and you can start your journey in just 3 minutes. Aluminum and plastic trailer solutions. The wireless trailer lights kit comes with 2 iron plates and screws, allowing the magnetic lights to be attached not only to iron trailers, but also to aluminum trailers, plastic trailers, wooden trailers, etc. It can be done in just 2 simple steps. 1. Secure the iron plate to the trailer with screws. 2. Attach the magnetic tail lights to the iron plate. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.